Welcome to Own Product Pick, your go-to spot for fitness gear reviews, workout tips, and the best equipment for your home gym. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best running treadmills in 2025, featuring powerful motors, smart features, and durable builds designed to take your cardio to the next level. Whether you're training for a marathon, staying active indoors, or just starting your fitness journey, these treadmills deliver performance, comfort, and value you can count on. Fire will cover the top features, pros and cons, and help you find the perfect treadmill to fit your goals and budget. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get moving with the best running treadmills of 2025. Number 5, Urevo Walking Pad with Double Shock Absorption. The Urevo Walking Pad with Double Shock Absorption might be exactly what you need. Designed for convenience, this walking pad features a foldable design that easily fits under a bed or couch, making it perfect for small spaces. The double shock absorption system truly stands out. It significantly reduces the impact on your joints, allowing for longer, more comfortable walking sessions. Whether you're pacing during Zoom calls or getting in your daily steps while watching TV, it runs quietly and smoothly without disturbing others around you. The LED display is sleek and easy to read, showing your speed, time, steps, and calories burned in real time. It also comes with a remote control for effortless adjustments while walking. The belt offers good grip and support, even for extended use, and the motor remains consistent even at higher speeds. Overall, the Urevo Walking Pad strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and value, making it a great option for anyone aiming to stay active without heading to the gym. Number 4, Echelon Stride 6S 10 Autofold Connected Treadmill. The Echelon Stride 6S 10 Autofold Connected Treadmill is a sleek, space-saving treadmill built for modern homes and connected workouts. Its standout feature is the automatic folding mechanism, perfect for tight spaces or apartments. With a powerful motor and a top speed of 12 miles per hour, it's designed for both casual joggers and serious runners. The 10-inch HD touchscreen adds an immersive touch to your workout, giving you access to thousands of live and on-demand classes via the Echelon Fit app. Whether you're into running, walking, or interval training, the Stride 6S 10 delivers smooth, quiet performance that adapts to your pace. What sets this treadmill apart is its seamless integration with Echelon's fitness platform. You can join interactive leaderboard challenges, track your progress, and even explore scenic routes from around the world. The built-in Bluetooth speakers and heart rate monitoring enhance your training experience. Plus, the sturdy build and cushioned running deck reduce joint impact, making long workouts more comfortable. If you're looking for a connected treadmill that folds automatically, performs reliably, and keeps you motivated, the Echelon Stride 6S 10 is a top-tier option worth considering. Number 3, Bowflex Treadmill Series. The Bowflex Treadmill Series is definitely worth considering. With powerful motors, a spacious running deck, and an incline range that goes up to 15%, this machine is designed to challenge even seasoned runners. One of its standout features is the JRNY app integration, which offers adaptive workouts, virtual coaching, and immersive global routes, making every run feel fresh and motivating. The touchscreen display is crisp and responsive, giving you full control over your fitness journey. Another big plus is the durability and build quality. The Bowflex treadmill feels solid underfoot and offers smooth, quiet performance, even at higher speeds. It also folds easily with its soft drop design, making it a great fit for those tight on space. Whether you're walking, sprinting, or tackling intense interval training, the Bowflex Treadmill Series delivers a commercial gym experience right in your home. If you're serious about fitness and want long-term value, this treadmill won't disappoint. Number 2, NordicTrack Commercial 1750. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is a top-tier treadmill that brings gym-quality performance right into your home. With a powerful 3.5 chp motor and a spacious 22-inch by 60-inch running deck, this machine is built for serious runners and fitness enthusiasts alike. The standout feature is its 14-inch HD touchscreen, which delivers an immersive experience when paired with IFIT's global workout library. Whether you're running through the streets of Rome or climbing trails in Peru, the incline and decline adjustments automatically sync with your terrain for a realistic and engaging workout. What sets the 1750 apart is the attention to comfort and durability. The runner's flex cushioning can be turned on or off, allowing you to choose between a softer impact or a road-like feel. Foldable design with easy lift assist makes storage simple, despite its solid frame. The Bluetooth audio, quiet operation, and reliable connectivity add to the premium feel. Overall, the NordicTrack 1750 is a smart investment for anyone looking to elevate their home cardio routine with technology, performance, and versatility. Number 1. Peloton Tread. The Peloton Tread stands out as a premium smart treadmill that blends sleek design with immersive fitness technology. With a 23.8-inch HD touchscreen, it delivers a studio-like experience right in your home. Whether you're sprinting, walking, or taking a scenic run, the responsive belt and quiet motor provide a smooth, stable ride. What sets it apart is Peloton's signature live and on-demand classes, led by world-class trainers who keep you motivated every step of the way. The incline and speed knobs are intuitive and easy to adjust mid-run, making it feel more natural and engaging than traditional treadmills. But the real magic lies in the community and content. With access to thousands of workouts beyond just running, including strength training, stretching, and yoga, the Tread becomes more than just cardio equipment. It's a full fitness platform. However, it's worth noting the high price tag and ongoing monthly subscription. Still, for those serious about staying fit and motivated at home, the Peloton Tread delivers a next-level workout experience that's hard to beat. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.